Everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of April 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. I've already pulled out the oracle cards, and as we proceed with the reading, I will be taking charms as well. So stay tuned, and tarot we will be pulling on cam. So yes, stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see what is coming up for Sagittarians for the month of April 2021. I'm gonna start with the tarot. Let's see. Sagittarius, what is coming up for you in the month of April? Let's begin. Knight of Pentacles, the Tower, the Karma, Four of Cups, Knight of Wands, Three of Swords, Strength, Page of Cups, King of Pentacles, and the Star. I do see many people in your life, and in the month of April, I do see you would be talking, communicating with a lot of them. Some of them would be good, some of them would not be good. But I don't know, what is it all about? Is it work? Is it you are open to date and meet and new people or to be friends with as well? But I do see a lot of people in your life. I do see a lot of communication happening, be that direct or indirect. Like maybe for some of you, you would be talking directly to the person. For others of you, you might be like maybe it's like you are on the back seat to to talk to this person. There is a lot of communication going on in this in the month of April for you. I do see that you are you really want things to work, whatever the communication is all about. You really want things to give you results. You want the outcome of that communication to be positive. Somehow I feel like you will be having communication, you will be meeting people, you will be talking to different people, but you're not going to get satisfied with the kind of people that you would be talking to. Some of them are going to be good, but at the same time, the way things going to move are not going to be, the way things going to move is not going to be like something that you would able to take. Like you would feel like annoyed with why this is not happening, why that is not happening, stuff like that. But I do see that you have to have patience with whatever it is that you're working towards in the month of April. It's going to be different for different people. For some of you, you might be considering reaching out to different universities for the admission. For some of you, you would be going for job. For others of you, you would be doing with maybe you're trying to find a life partner or something. It's going to be different for different people. But I feel like it's going to be a tough month in a way where you're not getting what you want, what you're seeking. There are people, there are things that are working out, but they are not how you want them to be. So there is going to be that energy in the month of April with you, where you feel like you either have to settle in for less or you have to stay patient. Now what do you choose? Do you choose to settle in for less, or do you choose to stay patient and wait for the right time, for the right kind of a person to enter in your life, or right kind of opportunity to come in your life as well? Hold on. I feel like the first half is going to be slightly tough, when it comes to whatever it is that you're waiting for, whatever it is that you're trying to work. The second half is going to give you it's the second half is going to be the something positive when it comes to whatever it is that you're working towards. Hold on. Yep. So it seems like, the kind of offers that you are seeking, the kind of people that you are seeking, you will be able to start seeing those kind of people, those kind of offers as you reach towards the end of the month. So I feel like, in the beginning you will be having a lot of offers, opportunities coming up, but they are not good enough to take. Like, they are not like, they're gonna make you feel bad at times, because you could feel like, I definitely deserve better than this. Now for some of you, I do see you will be settling in for less. For others of you, I feel like, you're gonna wait, you're gonna stay patient, you're gonna stay positive, because you believe that you deserve good, you believe in the affirmations, prayers, and all the efforts that you have been, putting into it. So you believe that you are worthy of something good coming your way. I do see both of those, both of you who can relate to it. Like, some of you are gonna be so desperate to go for anything that comes your way. Be that in love, work, home life situation. You will be ready to accept anything and everything that comes your way. For others of you, you're gonna stick to what you believe in, and that's how you're gonna get it. I feel like, even if you are choosing something less, I would suggest you to don't seal the deal. Like, just see how it goes. Just take some slow steps, because somehow, as you reach towards the end of the month, you will have a better opportunity coming your way. So maybe, if I would suggest you to wait if you can, and if you cannot, then I would suggest you don't seal the deal when it comes to the offers that are coming up for you in the very beginning of the month, because something better is definitely coming up for you in the later part of the month. So make sure that you choose to wait if you can. If you have to choose something, like, suppose if you're struggling with the money situation right now, and you have to choose this, whatever offer comes in your way, and you know that you are worthy of something better than, whatever it is that you are getting, maybe you can start doing it for some time, but don't sign any contract that binds you to be there in that particular situation with that particular, firm, company, whatever it is. Try to keep it open. Same goes for the relationship. If you start to, feel like, maybe you should accept this, and since you don't see something good coming your way, eventually you're gonna feel bad with this, offer that is, happening for you in the very beginning of the month. Now it's very important for you to don't get into a commitment relationship. Don't rush into anything stable. Don't rush into anything like, cementing, like, the connection with an engagement ring, or, finalize things, and, meeting the people and the families and stuff like that. Don't get there. Wait for the later part of the month. You will definitely get a better option, better opportunity to choose from. I do see you will be getting disappointed with the first, if you choose something in the first half, choose to wait, and you will get what you wanted, or what you have been waiting for, because it seems like, something good is definitely coming your way, something beautiful, something that you destined to get. um Not destined to get, you have to wait to get that. It's like, if you choose something in doing something quick or rushing towards things, you are going to disappoint yourself. So just go easy on yourself, go easy on this situation. You will be happy if you wait till the end of the month. So yeah, let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Intimacy you share is magical. Don't settle in for less again. You could be dealing with earth sign. Be yourself, you are you. Don't try to change yourself, or to settle in for less than whatever it is that you are, wishing to hope, wishing to get. It's time to heal and love yourself. Try to love yourself and believe that you are worthy of something good. Forever love will be entering in your life in the second half of the month for majority of you. You drive me wild and crazy. Be sure that whoever it is that you are dealing with, they don't give you, or don't get into any sort of relationship for the sake of getting into one. Wait for something beautiful, something stable, something fulfilling coming your way, which is going to come after the second half, after the first half of the month, in the second half for sure. Let's see strength. This challenge will make you stronger. You will get through the other side. Look for the gifts in this situation. Try to live in the moment, and try to learn what can you learn, or what can you work towards to strengthen your position even more in the current circumstances. It's very important for you guys to understand one thing. Whatever that is coming up, or whatever that is happening in your life right now, try to make the most of it by staying positive for what you desire, and keeping your expectations high from the universe, dreaming big. And as you get the smaller opportunities, smaller, like, smaller in terms of, like, which doesn't match your wish, your dream, desire, try to make the most of those, offers that you're getting. How to do that, it's going to be different for different people. If I say, if it applies to your love life situation. If an offer comes in, I'm not saying that make the most of it and like start dating that person, start sleeping around. No, that means you in that particular frame of time, you have to make the most of it by staying single, working on the things that that's going to boost your confidence even more, so your worth, that you don't have to settle in for less. So work on those things, not like okay, go for that. Or if somebody is giving you a job which is not what matches your your degree, your performance, and if it is like something that's going to make you feel bad, don't take it. Like work on something and try to do something else. Maybe meanwhile you can learn another skill, and then maybe something good comes your way which is going to value you the way you deserve to be valued. So there are things that you need to learn as you wait for good offers, good people, good things coming up for you, and just make sure that you don't settle in for less. But to be very honest, I do see few of you would be settling in for less, and then you're going to regret that. Your desired outcome will occur in the very near future. Have patience and faith, and don't try to force it to happen. That's again the same message. Try to wait, try to be patient, and you will get what you want. Just have patience, don't rush into things. Everything will happen exactly how you want. All you need to do is stay strong, stay positive, have patience. Completion. I feel like it's gonna be like a as you reach towards the mid of the month, you will see some sort of a completion of a cycle which was not so positive, and then you're gonna enter into the beautiful new beginning. Confusion. I feel like the offers, the things that are happening for you in the first half of the month is definitely going to be confusing you, but stay strong. The only thing that is real is love. Shift your focus back to love. Make sure you know that you're worthy of love. Don't settle in for less than that. Then we do have emeralds. Calm your mind, body, and soul. Try to align 3 of them to get what you want, to get what you desire, be that in love, work, home life situation. Number 30, for some of you, you could be reaching 30 in terms of your age, or you are already 30 and then you are confused, when will I meet the one, and stuff like that. Don't rush into things. Everything will happen in the divine time. Just relax. And stay positive. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms have to add to the reading for you guys. We do have 3 alphabets, which is D, K, and Y. It could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. You can start using affirmations that's going to give you the result that you seek as well. Or maybe for some of you, you have to learn a few skills that you can work towards as you wait for something good to come your way. Hope, trust, love, and dream. Try to incorporate all these words in your everyday routine or practices, so you could stay positive around whatever it is that you're waiting to manifest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the month of April. If the reading resonated with you, or if it helped you in one way or the other, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. And till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.